What is a firewall? A firewall is like a security guard for your computer or network. It decides what data is allowed to enter or leave your system and what data should be blocked. Think of it as the walls and gates of a castle. The walls protect against intruders. The gate lets in trusted people and keeps dangerous ones out. That's exactly what a firewall does. It protects your computer or network from unwanted access. When you connect to the internet, your computer sends and receives data in small chunks called packets. The firewall checks each packet. Is it safe? Allow it. Is it suspicious or harmful? Block it. This happens in milliseconds without you even noticing. Software firewall installed on your device. For example, Windows Firewall. Hardware firewall, a physical device that protects an entire network, often used in companies. Cloud firewall. Modern firewalls that protect online services and cloud data. They protect you from hackers and cyber attacks. They block malware, viruses, and dangerous websites. They give you control over which apps or websites can access your internet.